Privatize IDBI Bank. Strong condemnation from AIBEA General Secretary C.H.Venkatachalam to Union Government. At his office located on Linghi Chetty Street in Chennai, AIBEA General Secretary C.H.Venkatachalam gave an exclusive interview to our Adhirvu Alai TV reporter. During the interview, he stated, the Union Government must drop its attempt to privatize IDBI Bank. If it fails to do so, we will launch a massive protest against the Union Government, he declared, registering his strong condemnation.
The employees and officers of IDBI Bank, they are going on strike, one day all India protest strike on the 11th August throughout the country. From the All India Bank Employees Association, we are extending our full support to that strike because there is a big history behind this bank. In 1964, from Reserve Bank of India, this long-term development financial institution was created in the name of Industrial Development Bank of India, IDBI. In 1964, it was Reserve Bank Department, then it became Reserve Bank subsidiary, later it became the government bank. And later, this IDBI Bank IDBI started one IDBI Bank as a subsidiary. And later, the IDBI also was closed. Even though in our country, development finance is very important. It is only one DFI, Development Financial Institution, only one that was closed. And that was merged with the IDBI Bank. And today, this IDBI Bank is working as a commercial bank with 1,500 branches and about 3 lakh crore deposit in that bank. 2 years ago, the government announced, Finance Minister announced in the budget that they intend to sell this bank by disinvesting the capital to some private people. Since then, these efforts are going on. And now, in the meantime, in IDBI Bank, the government disinvested its capital in favor of the LIC. So, LIC is an investor and government is also an equity shareholder. Together, today they are having 95% capital, LIC and the government. Now, they want to reduce it and they want to bring it to 34%. LIC government from 95 it will become 34. That means the 66% of capital will be sold to private people. And so they have offered to sell this and various bids are coming. Surprisingly, not only Indian bidders from Canada, Dubai, Singapore, lot of bids are coming and the government is now processing that sale of the share of IDBI Bank. That means government LIC share will be sold to these people. So it is not only privatization of a public sector bank, it is actually foreignization. This is in tune with these various trade agreement that has been signed with America, with United Kingdom, with also European Union. And so they are inviting more and more capital into India, including in the banking, financial, insurance sector. And so now, if any one of them will buy this bank, it will not only become a private bank, it will become a foreign bank. And that is the danger. That means the government is now shedding its responsibility. It will keep only 15% of the capital. LIC will keep another 18-19%, together 34%. 66% of the capital will be sold to some private. It may be a Canada investor, it may be Dubai investor, it may be Singapore investor, some foreign investor. That means the bank will become foreign bank. And the foreign bank, it becoming a foreign bank doesn't mean it is going to be an efficient bank. We know the history in Arshad Mehta fraud and many other scams. Many of the foreign banks are involved. I don't want to tell the name. Many foreign banks are involved. It has come out in the Joint Parliamentary Committee report, etc. So it is very dangerous to hand over the public money or a public sector bank to a private capital or to a foreign capital. But still the government, they are trying to do that. So to express our protest and opposition and demanding that this should not be done. Because we want to again recall here in 2003, December, at the time also BJP was in power. Mr. Jaswant Singh was the finance minister. So when IDBI was to become the IDBI Bank, when the act was repealed, there are a lot of protests that you should not do. So he gave an assurance, and that is documented in the records of the parliament proceeding, that at any point of time, government will keep minimum 51% in the IDBI Bank. This is the assurance in the parliament. But now they want to bring it down to 15%, and 66% will be private capital. That means the bank will become a private bank, rather it will become foreign bank. So this is not good, rather it is a retrograde. So we are opposing that, and we want the government to review their stand, to continue this bank as it is, and to express this protest on 11th of August. Employees and officers of the IDBI Bank, they are going on strike on 11th of August during the parliament session. So from the All India Bank Employees Association, we are extending our support. Our sister organization, All India Bank Officer Association, they are also extending the support. In addition, unions in LIC and also in the general insurance and LIC, 6 unions in the financial sector, we are also supporting them, and we want the government to stop this. And if they don't do that, if they proceed further, during the winter session of the parliament in December 2025, then we will be compelled to go for all bank strike, all financial sector strike, and that is why we hope that government will understand the gravity and review the decision and not hand over this bank to either a private investor or a foreign investor. We wish this strike all success.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.